So, hi guys, welcome back, I guess. I am really trying to upload like every week, maybe 2 videos a week, usually on the weekends because that's when I have the most time. And this week I thought, Goth kind of gets mistaken for emo sometimes. And I never had like a true emo phase, so I feel like today is the day to transform myself from goth into emo. With goth, I mean that, when I put my makeup on, it's go big or go home. But I'm also very lazy, so usually I just look like this. Very basic. I don't want to be a blob for this entire video. Please stop. Okay, close enough. So I thought, when the whole emo thing kind of was going on, I was like 8. So I didn't really, I didn't wear makeup. I don't even think I picked out my own clothes. And when I did, they were definitely not emo. And I just feel like, there were so many people having an emo face. And I don't want to miss out. I also want to have an emo face. I just want to dress up, basically, and try to make myself look as emo as I can for today, because I feel like it's fun. And I have been waiting to do this. I don't know why I've never done it before. I feel like I should have, because it's kind of like, why not? So I feel like I should have. And today is the day. There's a cat in the background. I'm gonna have to open the door real fast. Right, so I feel like in a lot of pictures that I looked up, the emo girls just kind of like put on a plain base. Like they don't really contour or highlight or anything. So I feel like I'm just gonna put on not a white foundation this time. Well, it's basically just concealer. I don't even know what concealer this is. And we're being a blob again. Look at that. That's what happens when you're pale, isn't it? I'm just gonna powder this very quickly so it doesn't go anywhere. There was a child screaming outside. This is going to happen the entire video, isn't it? Trying to make content, please. I'm gonna have to find a better place to film. The idea is there. The light also, unfortunately. Now I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows all the way with some brown eyeshadow. I wish that would stop, but I guess it won't. Now I am not going to contour, I'm not going to highlight, I'm not even going to put concealer around these eyebrows, because on most pictures they just fill their eyebrows in like this with a little square at the beginning, or at the beginning, and then they often leave it like that. So let's just move right on to the eyes, which is pretty much the most iconic part of this. I'm just going to put black eye pencil all around my eyes in the waterline, just all around, like a pen. Or a raccoon, whatever you want to call it. Like that, basically. And then we're just going to smoke everything out. If my camera will let me. Just going to add a quick line of black liquid eyeliner to really make it like pop. Like so. And then I'm just going to add mascara. Just like completely blacked out, like just full raccoon eye. And I'm pretty sure they don't really did fake eyelashes, so I'm just gonna skip those and do the other eye. My eyes just kind of look really sad and small right now, so I feel like I'm going to put on some fake eyelashes anyway, just because it's like my eyes are like really, really sad and small looking right now. I know they didn't really like do fake eyelashes in that time, but I need some. Now, they didn't really like seem to wear much lip makeup. However, they absolutely, in most pictures, had snake bites. And I obviously don't have those piercings, so I made some little rings real fast. So now I can just pretend that I have them real fast. So like, that's it for the makeup. However, I want to do a full transformation, so I'm going to attempt to get my hair in like the typical emo style. So I'm gonna attempt to get it done, and either I will or won't film it. But anyway, you'll see. Ugh. Well, it took quite some time, but I think I've got it. Like, this is the best I could achieve. I think it's alright. Might still need some stuff, but you know. I think it's okay for the first time trying. Anyway, this outfit is not super emo, and I think I've got some better items, so I'll be right back. I'm going to change into a better outfit, and I'll see you soon. Right, so this is the final look, I guess. I will, in a minute, I'll show you the full outfit, well, full outfit, just the t-shirt. So, I think I did pretty okay for, like, not really having an emo face. These lip rings, though. I think they're in place. Alright. I think this is pretty acceptable. Pretty okay. It might not be full emo, but anyway, I tried. So, I hope you like it. Anyway, this is today's video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe if you want. If you want me to do more style transformations in the future, you can comment down below what style you would like me to do. And, yeah, that's it. Bye!